How can I convert string to source code in Python? As you see, hyphen is a string, so if I just write after if, always will be true. What can I do to convert it to source code?
You can use eval function to evaluate Python source code. Quoting the documentation. Eval expression, globals equals none, locals equals none, the arguments are a string and optional globals and locals. If provided, globals must be a dictionary. If provided, locals can be any mapping object.
Try this. For detailed info, read the documentation of eval and exec in Python 2.x/3.x. A similar question was asked previously. Here's the link.
I think eval does not work with strings like this. In that case you might have to open a separate file, write the string and then execute it.